Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. Today, we are going to be talking about 5 of my most favorite items, things that you guys are always asking about. So come along and let me show you some of my 5 favorite things. First one's pretty easy. My Apple Watch. It's so freaking cool. Seriously, love this thing. I got it as a gift from Asa. The thing I like the most about it, it has everything built into it, but you can accessorize. Who doesn't love that? And I love being able to change out the bands. I will link it down below, and I'm gonna show you what the bands are. They're so affordable, and you can kind of change them for the season or your outfit. Who doesn't love a cute watch that you can change accessories on? So that's my number 1 item. Here it is, item number 2, my backpack. Guys, I'm a mom, right? But I don't have diaper bags anymore. So I needed something that I could just take on the go with me. I bought it for our trip. I think when we were going on a cruise, it was only $25. I get so many compliments and I love it. The number 1 thing for me is if you have anything important, you can put it right here, which I kept our passports there and it worked perfectly. It's not really girly, so Asa could carry it as well if that's something that is important to you, but it's my bag. So I love my backpack. I forgot to tell you the most important thing about the bag. It has a charger, you guys. Who needs a charger on the go? You just plug it in right in your bag and you can, perfect for theme parks, perfect for hiking, because I love hiking. It also has a sleeve for my laptop. I was never a laptop person. Now I carry it everywhere I go to keep it safe. Alrighty, we're gonna head upstairs to my bedroom, whoop whoop, because that's where the few items I have left are. This is item number 3. Yup, it's an earring holder. I love this so much. Asa bought it for me for Christmas last year, and the perfect thing about it is I never have to stress about what earrings I want to take on a trip now, because guess what? You can roll it up and put it in your suitcase, guys. Just make sure you close the zippers. So many times I leave the zippers open, go to move it, and I dump all the earrings out. But I love it. I keep it right here hung in my closet, so that way when I have my outfit on, I can come and choose what earrings I want to get. We will link it down below. It's awesome. You need one. The last 2 items I have to share with you are kept at my vanity. So, we live in Florida. We are a surfing family. I don't really surf, but I go to the beach. We were introduced to the wet brush a few years back, and I will never go back. It's awesome. I have all different kinds, but this is my favorite one because I do have a lot of hair and I just love a wet brush. Comment down below, let me know if you ever used a wet brush. It's life-changing. It's perfect for your kids who maybe have sensitive heads. You're not going to get the tangles. You need a wet brush. These are perfect to put in a stocking. This last item is probably one of my most used items. It's something I never would have purchased for myself. I have to know, do you have this in your life? It's super expensive, but it's worth it. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. I have my Dyson Airwrap. I received it as a gift a while back. It's been over a year, but I love it, you guys. I love traveling with it. I wash my hair every other day, and so I don't like to put a lot of heat on it, but this has been a game changer for me. It comes with so many different attachments. The blow dryer has been such a lifesaver. It has saved me so much time. It's great for Abigail because she doesn't like to sit long, and this is awesome. You don't have to dry it all the way because you're going to use the curling attachment to curl your hair. Before I had my Dyson, my curls would not stay. It's super humid in Florida. I would curl my hair with a curling iron. I've tried all the different products. They would not stay. Now they do. So I'm a believer. I love it so much. I would have to say the only negative thing about this is why? Why is this so much? It's not a vacuum. Like, it feels like y'all tried to make this as a vacuum. So that would be my only downfall, is maybe we don't need like this next time, or like this heavy duty, like it seems like a lot, right? We want it to be dainty. But again, this is not something I would have purchased for myself. I got it as a gift. So I'm gonna tell you, put that on your gift list. You never know. Unless maybe you can get this for yourself and not feel bad. I'm just so blessed, and I'm so thankful that I have this in my life. So Dyson Airwrap, gotta get it. It's awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of my favorite things. I want you to comment down below. Let me know one thing you could not live without. As always, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.
These are a few of my favorite things.